Today we will learn about these basic tools of Filmora. The first one is the cutting or splitting tool. You can cut any unnecessary part from your video or from audio or image. As you can see, our media file is splitted into two parts. To undo this, you can click on this arrow. It will undo the task. Similarly, if you want to redo it, then you can click on this arrow. Next tool is crop tool. You can crop your media file according to your need. You can explore more cropping option over here. By clicking on zoom in, it will zoom the media file. Similarly, by clicking on zoom out, it will zoom out the media file. By clicking on left to right arrow, it will display your media file from left to right. Similarly, by clicking on right to left arrow, it will display your media file from right to left. The next tool is advanced color tuning. It is just like filters, you can use any of them according to the need. You can also manually adjust them as well. The next tool is time adjust tool. You can speed up or slow down any part of media form here. The next is the marker tool. You can mark at any point of your file just for your remembrance, that you have to do some editing over here. Just like that. In Filmora you can do voiceover from this mic button. From audio mixer, you can edit your audio's pitch, frequency from here. You can increase and decrease the length of your track from here just like that. From these plus and minus buttons you can also do the same. From audio meter you can see the volume strength of your audio. Explore rest of the options by yourself.